Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to clear cache and free up space on your TikTok account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. Having opened up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon right here. Then you take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on this three stroke from the top. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on settings and privacy. It's open up like so. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and then make sure you look for free up space. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on cache to clear about 224 MB. So clear cache, click on clear, boom. Then you can also come to download right here where you have about 15.5 MB. Click on it and cleared, boom. You save some megabytes right here. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to delete cache and free up space on TikTok account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.